Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 876 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster, that's Y-O-R-E Oyster. You can check this list out along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, we have commentary from BitBull Capital's Joe DePasquale. CleanSpark has closed on the acquisition of a mining facility, and BitMining has reported its Q2 results. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Joe DePasquale, the CEO of BitBull Capital, has provided commentary to InvestorIdeas.com regarding Bitcoin's price and market. Quote, "In line with our comments last week, Bitcoin's failure to breach $25,000 US has capped its rally, and it appears that macroeconomic concerns continue to affect markets. However, we maintain that healthy consolidation leading into September will be a positive sign for the bulls, especially if Bitcoin does not create a new low below $18,000. In case Bitcoin does fall below the previous low, we could be looking at further downside, potentially toward the $15,000 range. However, as long as Bitcoin stays between $18,000 and $20,000, bulls should gain confidence. Upcoming hints from the Fed in terms of their policy are going to be key indicators, especially the September FOMC and the Ethereum merge next month." End quote. Moving along, CleanSpark Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol CLSK, has announced that it has closed on the previously reported acquisition of an active Bitcoin mining facility in Washington, Georgia. This is anticipated to add 2.6 exahash per second to CleanSpark's hash rate, according to the press release. Matt Schultz, the company's executive chairman, said the following, quote, "This is a tremendous opportunity for CleanSpark and our shareholders, and we are thrilled to be moving so quickly on the deployment of this site. The community in Washington has welcomed CleanSpark with open arms, and we look forward to being their partners as we continue to build the transformative and sustainable infrastructure that is Bitcoin mining." End quote. And lastly for today, BitMining Limited, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker BTCM, has reported its unaudited financial results for the second quarter ended June 30th. Highlights include revenues of $195.5 million USD. This is down considerably from $435.4 million back in Q2 2021. The company's CEO, Shanfeng Yang, said, quote, "Over the past quarter, we have focused on R&D and identifying synergies across our vertically integrated supply chain. Cryptocurrency price weakness and higher energy prices have had a significant impact on stock prices and revenues of companies in our sector, including BitMining. Despite the turbulent market conditions, we remain committed to our long-term growth strategy and confident in our ability to create value for our shareholders in the future." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.